This is my video for CIS210, week with the Sunday date of October 27th. This week we were tasked with looking at a Geeks for Geeks website that has a bunch of different sorting things that you can do. Then we were given a list of quite a lot of numbers, and then chose two of them, made up the programs for them, and then showing them off. So the two I chose was how to do a merge sort and how to do a quick sort. I've never done either before, so I think this was pretty good to learn. I think they're some of the fastest sorts that you can do, and knowing how they work is pretty important. For both of them, you have to extract the data, so both of the programs start with extracting all of the data to a list from the initial data file. And then for merge, you'd go through a merge sort where you split the lists up in half, and you keep doing that recursively. They're both recursive programs. And then while you're in there, you just keep breaking them down and splitting and sorting. For quick sort, on here, we have a process to split the list, and then in the actual quick sort, we do the splitting, and then we quick sort again. So you keep splitting over and over again until the list is sorted. Both of the programs, instead of running the entire data list because they take a long time, I do just 100 elements. And so here is the merge sort. So you have the original list that's just a whole bunch of numbers, and then you have the sorted version that goes from 6,752 up to 2,325,000. And then if we go over and run quick sort, you'll see 6,752 up to 2.3 million again. So sorted lists work. I think it's good to have it actually display the original list and then the sorted list. Both of these weren't too complicated. It took a little bit to understand because I haven't done too much work with recursive things, and so it's always a little weird to look at, thinking that you have a function and then you call the function within it. It feels weird at first, but especially after I've done it twice for both of these, I have pretty good understanding of both of them and feel more comfortable with recursive programs in general.